Yes, welcome to today's video. Let me hope everyone watching this video finished up registering on Chapchap merchant app. So this is our app here. So I click on it. Okay. So this is the app. This is how it looks. So after finishing registering, you'll find that float here is going to be 0. So you find that there, after adding a float, you'll be able to sell airtime for Airtel, MTN, Africell, ETL, Smile, Smart, Leica, and Rob. Then you'll also be able to do all these bills here. Then, but you'll find that there are some other features which you can do, and that is deposit and withdraw. When you try to do a deposit, you'll see a message which will be like this. This is what you find, that please finish licensing your license procedure to access this feature. But how do you do that? I'm going to show you. If you go back to our app, this is the app. So I'm going to show you how you are going to license this. So there are two methods, but I'll start with the one which has a disadvantage. So in case you found the app somewhere and you registered yourself, so this is what you're going to do. You're going to come and tap on me here. So it's going to take you to this site here. So what you do, you are going to tap on submit KYC. So submit KYC. Once I tap there, it's going to take me to this site. They're going to tell you to take the picture of your national ID. So you take the front part of it, but you make sure that it is clear. Then the back part of it, also make sure that it's clear. Then you take your selfie. You also make sure that you're not in so much light so that the face can be seen clearly. Then you're going to tell you to take the picture of the shop. So here you make sure that once you're taking a picture of a shop, you make sure that you stand a bit far such that they can be able to see the roof. And then there's some other things which you can omit, and that is the illustrator or the business license. So when are these needed? You only submit the illustrator when you don't have a shop and you're taking the picture of the house. That's when you go to your chairperson and you ask for the illustrator, such that we get to know whether you're a resident of that place. So that's when you're going to submit in your illustrator. But if you have taken the picture of the shop, you can omit these things, the illustrator and the business license. What you do, you just take the picture of your national ID, the front part on the illustrator, and also on the business license, you're also going to take the picture of your national ID, the front part of it. After that, you're going to click upload. But the bad thing with this, it may take months without licensing your account. So what you do, once you're going to register on Chapchap, always we have sponsors, and these sponsors are the people who give you sponsor code which you put in. So you go to your sponsor. Let's say if I'm the one sponsoring you, and I gave you my sponsor code, what I only need from you is the picture of your national ID, the front part and the behind part. Then I also need your selfie and the picture of your workplace. That's all I need. And when I'm the one licensing you, it only takes for about 5 minutes and your account is done licensed. But if you are told you license your account, it may take you years once your account isn't licensed. So once you're done with licensing your account, what is main is to add up float such that you can be able to do deposit and withdraw. To do deposit, just come and tap here. You put in any number you want, let's say MTN or Airtel, and any amount. So for withdraw, you also just come here. You tap on either MTN or Airtel. For Airtel, just put in the number and then a secret code. For MTN, you just put in the number and then the amount, and the customer puts in the PIN code. So I'm going to be showing you another video here how you can add that float. So kindly subscribe to our channel so that you can see another video of how you can add that float. on Chapchap Merchant app. Thank you.